Oh my gosh.
No, that's okay. No yelling. Down.
Today, Nova went to her best friend Nico's birthday party. She was so excited to see him. We sang happy birthday, and then she stole his birthday cake. She found the treat goodie bags and stole everyone else's treats. And then she found the tennis balls and stole them all away from her new friends. She absolutely loved the birthday party, but I don't think she'll be invited to the next one.
Big stretch. You just casually steal my dishcloth. Did you just steal my dish towel? Girls, you stole my dish towel again. You steal my towel again. Berlin! Big stretch.
My mom is mad at me because she told me we were going for a ride in the car, and instead of taking me to the park to play, this bitch brought me to the vet instead. Well, joke's on her, because when she got out of the car to grab my leash out of the trunk with the car on and her phone, purse and keys still in the car, I jumped up on the window to see what she was doing and ended up locking her out of the car. She came over and tried to get me to jump back up, but my ass made myself comfortable in the driver's seat right in front of the air conditioning and decided it was a good time to take a nap.
What are you doing? It's back time.
want a bite, does he?